which is really very important. US President Donald Trump telling that Tylenol, which is also known as paracetamol, acetaminophen, paracetamol, crocin, there are various names for the same product. It has been linked to the development of autism. Now, it has been said that when this product is taken during pregnancy, that gives a greater chance of neurodevelopmental problems in the child. So finally, leave aside what is being said in the research because it's still in the very primary stages. We cannot be sure about that. I'll be coming to that research later on. But what is very important for all of us with President Donald Trump saying this is that see how serious a condition, how widespread a condition autism is currently becoming around the world. So much so that President Donald Trump had to address that situation. Now, such is the importance of and such is the instance of spread of autism, the way in which it is spreading in all the developed countries and now the developing countries too. It is really very tough to later on contain this disease in case we do not follow the right kind of procedures. Another very important development which took along with this development is that FDA has shared certain details, a case study where they have claimed that by the usage of a particular medicine, the autism was reversed in a particular case. It was a study for a patient of Norway, and some of you have been questioning us that does it really work? Now, my important answer to everyone who is after that study from Norway of a single case, that a single case after using a particular allopathic supplement was able to come out of autism. Now, the first important thing to realize from there is that now finally, after all these years of disagreeing with what I've been saying since past 24 years, that autism is a temporary phase in the life of a child if treated timely. Now, that is something which I've always been saying, that is something which I've all been guiding everyone कि autism एक temporary अवस्था है, एक permanent रोग नहीं है. Finally, we have FDA saying that, and although it is not said for Ayurveda, it is not said for what I have been guiding, but at least they have one case where they saw that autism was reversed and finally they accepted it. So I would like to document to anyone from FDA who is a viewer of our channel, we have thousands of such cases, we have thousands of such case studies well documented with each and every detail. So now that finally you believe that a child can come out of autism, why take a single case study? Why not thousands of case studies which we do maintain over here, where with the help of the usage of Ayurveda and psychotherapy in the correct proportion, in according to the research which I did in my PhD. So when it is done in that way, a child can come out of autism. So at least finally we have FDA accepting that, we have FDA saying that autism is reversible.
Autism is a temporary phase in the life of a child if treated timely.
A patient name, Moksh, patient age, 6 years old, disease, autism. A chief complaints, hyperactivity, aggressive behavior, speech delay, deficit eye contact, lack of attention. A history of patient. Moksh's parents consulted Dr. Navdeep Sharma for his autism treatment. They discussed about the chief complaints. They started the treatment after being convinced for the same. Interacting with Moksh was challenging as he had difficulty understanding and rarely engaged with those around him. Moksh struggled with speech delay and often seemed lost in his own world. His hyperactivity and irritative behavior made it hard for him to connect with others. After treatment from ND Care by Dr. Navdeep Sharma, Moksh has started using words to express himself, and his speech has improved significantly. Moksh is now much calmer and more focused. The hyperactivity that once overwhelmed him has reduced, and he's more at ease. We're seeing a new side of him. He's interacting more, engaging with those around him, and forming meaningful connections. His understanding has grown remarkably. He responds better, and everyday moments now feel filled with progress and joy.
Hello, my name is Pooja. My son's name is Moksh. My son is 6 years old now. When he was 3 years old, he was diagnosed with autism. When we consulted the doctor, they said that there is neither any medicine nor any cure for this. So we were very worried. My child was very hyperactive. He had no concentration, no attention, and he lacked eye contact and toilet training. We were constantly worried. Then we learned about Dr. Navdeep Sharma, so I contacted him. We started my child's treatment in November 2022, and gradually my child began to show a lot of improvement. My child's understanding improved, his eye contact increased, and now it's been almost 2 years. My child has almost recovered. Thank you so much, Dr. Navdeep Sharma. Thank you so much. You have almost cured my child. We had lost hope that my child would ever get better. Thank you so much, and above all, I want to thank Tina Mom, who is our coordinator. Mom has always motivated me. Thank you so much, Ma'am, and Rahul sir, who have always guided me on how to handle the child, how to do activities with him, and how to deal with the child. Sir explained to me, and because of that, my child's sitting time has increased and his concentration has improved. Now his hyperactivity has also reduced. My child now recognizes everyone. Earlier, my child used to go to a special school. Now he is studying in a regular school, and I am very happy. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tina Mom. Thank you to the whole team of ND Care.
Call now to connect with world's senior most Ayurvedic healer, Dr. Navdeep Sharma, and gift your child autism-free life.